Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 32 Valentine Road. This is a 4-bedroom property with off-road parking here to the front and located close to Kings Heath amenities. Okay, moving into the property where we have the vestibule which opens into the through hallway. And then first on the right hand side we have the reception room here, with a good sized bay window towards the front aspect. And coming around to the second reception room, again, lovely floorboards, coving, and we also have double doors going out to the garden from this room. And then on the left hand side we have access down to the cellar, and also the ground floor cloakroom with wash basin and WC. And then moving through to the dining kitchen, which also benefits from an integrated dishwasher and fridge freezer. And then further double doors going out into the garden. Okay, then moving up onto the first floor landing, and we have the stairs going up to the second floor. And we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor, starting at the front, the main bedroom, which is a particularly good size, having 2 windows facing towards the front of the house. And also benefiting from a good size ensuite shower room, where we have a WC, there's the wash basin, and a good size fully tiled shower with mixer shower. And then moving back across to the second bedroom, this room facing across the rear garden. And then through to the bathroom, which has a roll top bath as well as a corner shower. And then up to the second floor, where we have 2 further bedrooms. First one here with a Velux window. And then further bedroom here facing towards the rear of the house, and again particularly good size, also having a built-in storage cupboard in the corner. Okay, and then just moving outside into the garden, where we have a patio area and lovely space to the side. Which then leads on to the lawned garden area. Down to the far end here. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing for this property, then do just give us a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much, and bye for now.